Welcome back to my channel. Here is a dish made of almonds and cheese for you. Cut 300 grams of cottage cheese into cubes. Slice 3 onions and 300 grams of tomatoes. Puree the tomatoes and keep aside. Grind half a cup of almonds to flour. Add oil to the cooking pot and let it heat a bit. Add cumin seeds and allow it to splutter. Add onion and saute till it turns pink. Add tomatoes and saute until it turns mushy. Next add red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder one by one and mix until the spices get combined. Remove the contents and transfer to a blender. Once cooled, grind them along with water to a fine paste. Keep aside, add oil to the cooking pot and let it heat a bit. Mix ground almonds with the paste, add to the pot, add water and cook at medium flame for 10 minutes. Remove and transfer to a serving bowl. Serve hot. Garnish with green coriander or mint leaves. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.